Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to decide whether the information we find online is trustworthy. This skill is called information literacy, and it is something you will use for schoolwork and in real life. Every day we're surrounded by thousands of articles, millions of TikToks, and websites. But it's important to remember that all information is not created equal. Knowing how to evaluate sources helps you avoid fake news. It strengthens your schoolwork, and it helps you make smarter choices. Now let's take a look at some credible versus some questionable sources. One simple way to test a source is the CRAP test. That stands for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. Let's see it in action. This is example one of a credible source. This is a Smithsonian article that is very much credible because it is recent, it names the author and their expertise, and it is published by a trusted institution. Now let's take a look at this blog post. It has no clear author, no publication date, and it uses biased, emotional language, which is a red flag that it may not, in fact, be reliable. Remember, not all information is trustworthy. Before you use it for school or for life, ask, is this current? Is it relevant? Authoritative? Accurate? And is it fair? That is using information literacy in action. In short, always be sure that you are looking for credible sources and not just taking someone else's word. Literally. Thank you so much for watching. Next time you search online, be sure to test your sources. You'll be a stronger researcher and a smarter digital citizen for it.